Hi guys, this is Vanessa and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be doing my daughter's hair. I'll be putting in some faux locks, and the hair that I'll be using is the Freetress Jamaican Twist Braid in the number 2. She had in this hairstyle for a long time now, and instead of pulling it out, I decided I should just put in some faux locks. So I'm gonna moisturize our hair with some moisture butter, the beautiful texture, and then I'm gonna add some honey bees, Stylin bee wax to her roots. So this is how the hair looks out of the pack. What I'm gonna do is comb out the ends. So the pack comes with about 20 to 30 strands. I use around 3 packs of braid for this hairstyle. Then I'm gonna fluff the hair out so it's easier to cover each braid. Now I'm going to use my crochet hook to loop the braids through the roots, just like so. Now using one side of the Jamaican twist braid, pulling it down to the length that I want her locks to be. Holding the root, I'm going to gently wrap the Jamaican twist braid around the section of the hair down to almost the end of the hair. When I'm wrapping, I make sure I overlap the previous wrap that I did. And to me, this helps the hair from unraveling easily and also prevent you from seeing the braid that is underneath the faux locks or wrap. When I reach almost to the end of the hair, I'm gonna start to wrap that piece upwards. Once I'm finished wrapping that piece, then the remaining hair that's at the end, I'm gonna also wrap that going upwards, just like so, and this will aid in extra security. I finally finished twisting all the braids, and for that extra security you can add some nail glues to the end. This is completely optional. Also, just to have a cleaner look, I'm gonna clip all the straight ears at the end than anywhere else. This hairstyle actually took me about 2 sittings. I didn't complete everything in one day. We took a rest and then we finished it the second day. This hairstyle is definitely less time consuming if you already have old braids in your hair. Okay guys, here's the final look after I've added some accessories. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please remember to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. Also, please do leave a comment down below. Until next time, ciao.